Hello friend, welcome to Technical Debug. Today I show you how to use regular expression and how to build regular expression. If you are interested this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, let's start for regular expression. That is very simple. Just type in your browser regular expression online, then Google show you multiple platform in your search page. Okay, I'm first top to side open in my browser. Many people thinking regular expression are different respect by language. Okay, it is totally wrong. Regular expression are same for every language. Only function name are different respect by language. Okay, like like Coldfusion built by Adobe, refine function, rematch function, replace function. Same like PHP, pre-match function, replace function, etc. Like Java, rematch, group, start, end, and group count. All regular expression are same, only function name are different. I think everyone understand regular expression are same for every language. So I start you how to build a regular expression. At first I show you what is the structure of regular expression. Regular expression start with first bracket and also end, and center there have a square bracket, and under the square bracket have a condition. What regular expression will be checked, like A to Z, or if you check 0 to 9. Okay, it is a basic structure of regular expression. Regular expression, repeat again, it start first bracket, end first bracket. Caret operator for starting beginning, under square bracket, that is condition, what will be check regular expression, and it will be continue checking, that's used for plus, and dollar, it will be checking up to last. Now I am build a regular expression in online. This is the basic structure of regular expression. Okay, I remove it. Suppose text type hello world, and now I am checking only character, first bracket, then caret operator, square bracket, only character A to Z, space and capital A, capital Z, and plus dollar. This regular expression for checking character, if you notice hello world are highlighted by blue, and if you notice in below my regular expression structure are explained here. Now put some number. How to check this number? Simple. Remove this condition 0 to 9. This regular expression for checking a number only, or if you check number with character, then use capital A to Z. This regular expression check with character with number, or if you check URL, how to check URL? Let's copy this URL and paste here. So it must be A to Z and also capital A and capital to Z, and it's a colon slash dot. This is the basic structure of regular expression. Check URL. And this online platform very helpful for build a regular expression. There is simple example of regular expression A to Z. I already show you. First I show you pre-match. I think you are sometimes confused how to check a validation. Use your regular expression. Pre-match matching function is common for this kind of validation. First pre-match function, this is name. Role name is a variable store this value Orungiri, and pre-match function. Okay, this is the condition, and 4 to 15 length must be 4 to 15 length character and variable. Okay, I check this variable hold only character because I check only A to Z. So I run it, and name return 1. 1 means regular expression are perfectly matched with your variable. That's mean your variable hold only character, and there have a space. Space mean if you first name second name, there have a space. If I remove this space and run, okay, then they will be written 0. That's mean 0 means regular expression not matched by your value. Okay, similarly if I use Urungiri with suppose 9, then run, it will be again 0. That's mean regular expression not matched. Similarly phone number, and there have a condition 0 to 9, and the length will be must be 10. Okay, if I enter the more number, so what happen next? If I run, then phone is 0. That's mean regular expression not match. So delete that. If I run, then regular expression will be match. Next password, something like Urungiri @123. This is password, and how to check password is correct or wrong. I checked it A to Z and capital A to Z, 0 to 9, and multiple special character, and my password then must be 8 to 16 character. Similarly, if you check email address, that's his email address, and this is the condition. Similarly URL checking, and this is the condition, A to Z 0 to 9 space and multiple character, etc. Same like all these up to all these function are common function for use any form or any validation is commonly used. If you are a programmer, I think you are face all those things. And next is a split function. Split is a function that's break your value in certain condition. That's mean those value are multiple separated by comma, and I'm used the rest split function, and condition is comma. That's mean all this single line value break by comma. Run, then you can notice that value are separated by array. So next each replace. Okay, I am typing hello world, welcome to Technical Debug, and there are use replace function, and I replace all L to X. Okay, if I run, then you can notice hello. I can read this. If I change world, world will be changed to Avenger. Okay, if I run this, okay, there have a hello Avenger, welcome to Technical Debug. It is totally joke. So I think everyone understand how to build and how to use regular expression, and if you are interested to this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you. Bye.